spot tonight, okay? Before you lead the toast, syempre, Sir Delphine, we would like to hear a message from you.
Okay, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Hindi ko alam itong si pare kong Egay. Palagi akong gustong pinag-i-speech, no? Hindi ko alam kung talagang malakas lang ang loob mo, pare, o sinusukat mo talaga yung pagkakaibigan natin. Pero syempre, hindi kita pwedeng bukihin dito kasi pag binuko kita, magagalit din si Mrs., di ba? Magkasama tayo sa kasulukuhan. Okay. Ako, yan na, inaano na ako ni Nas. Okay, well, 25 wedding anniversary is a milestone, no? It is a time to celebrate with friends, with your families, and with your relatives, no? That's the reason why it is very important, no, kung bakit natin celebrate ito. 25 years anniversary is also called silver wedding anniversary, right? And it was called as such for a reason. At bakit siya tinawag na silver wedding anniversary ay hindi ko rin alam. Google nyo na lang, no? But sabi nga ng misis ko kasi magaling naman daw ako gumawa ng kwento. So I will make a own version of why it is called a silver wedding anniversary. Silver, as we know, is a very, a precious metal, no? Pag bago yan, makintab, makinang, napakaganda. No? Pero over the years ng, halibatan, wedding, yung silver ring, no? Over the years na pinapasok mo na pinapasok, at pinapasukan ang pinapasukan, lumuluwang, no? Kaya minsan, sabi nga nila, bakit kailangan i-celebrate ito? No, in the case of Egay and Nats, they celebrate it not only as a party, but even so going through the wedding again. A matrimonial blessing. Bakit ginagawa yan? Well, simply because para sa akin, sabi ko nga, naluluma ang silver. Pero sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, you try to polish it again and remove the tarnish that was once there. Kasi natural, no, as a family, we were with them during their happiness, when they foster their love with each other, and sometimes when they cry, we cry with them, we laugh with them, no? So kailangan natin itong i-revive to polish what was tarnished before. Na nakita ko naman sa pagsasama ni Egay at ni Nats. Maikwento ko lang, medyo mahaba ng konti, okay lang sir? Okay lang po ba, no? 25 years ago, I was their ring bearer, no? Ay, medyo bata pa ako noon. Nagkukuya ako ipangako doon sa harapan kasi nga bata pa ako, maliit pa ako, no? Nung kinasal sila sa simbahan, iniisip ko, wow, napakaswerte naman ni Ate Nats. Kasi hindi siya pinakasalan ni Kuya Egay ng isang beses, 2 beses siya pinakasalan. So ang haba ng buhok mo, Ate Nats. Pero this time, nung naglalakad ako doon, naiisip ko na, ang maswerte talaga, si Kuya Egay. Bakit kanyo? Kasi after 25 years, pumayag pa si Nats na magpakasal uli sa'yo. Akalain mo yung pare. So you are very lucky. You are both very lucky. But on a serious note, no, konti lang po. Nowadays, it's very disheartening to note that napakarami pong naghihiwalay. No? Let's face it, sometimes yung iba, hindi man sila naghihiwalay, magkasama man sa bahay, pero parang hindi naman harmonious din na pagsasama nila. No? Pero dito kay Nats at si Egay, sila ang nakita kong epitome of what a couple is. And not only that, they are a couple with and for Christ. Yun ang nakita kong pinakamaganda sa lahat. So napakaganda yung example sa lahat ng nandito, lalong-lalo na sa may mga asawa, na ipinakita nyo in 25 years na pagsasama. So dasal ko, sasama na aking pamilya, na ikaw, Nats, Egay, with Karil and Bea ay magsama pa ng habang buhay, maluwalhati at masaganang pamumuhay. Again, my congratulations. And for this time, may I ask everyone to please stand up. And let's offer a toast to the newlywed for the 25th year again. To my kumpare, my best friend, my kababata Egay, and to my friend Nats, congratulations. Cheers to you. 25 years.
So raise your glass if you are get up and right away. After comes, we will never be anything but
Yes! On their 25th year! Nakita niyo naman the classic crossing of the arms. And of course, picture pong muli, maraming picturean po natin muli ang ating best man. Grabe, you are truly blessed. At ang